So here is a mock test for class 7. There are 3 chapters covered. That is Understanding the Weather, Chapter 2, Climates of India, Chapter 3 and the Constitution of India, Chapter 10. So let us start. Who studies weather? And the options are astronomer, biologist, meteorologist, geologist. So meteorologist is the correct answer. What is humidity? Amount of heat in the air, amount of water vapor in the air, speed of wind, amount of rainfall. So amount of water vapor in the air is humidity. Which of the following is an element of weather? Temperature, roads, building, population. So temperature is an element of weather. The preamble of Indian Constitution declared India as monarchy, federal monarchy, dictatorship, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. So it declares sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. The Constitution of India is the longest written constitution in the world, shortest constitution in the world, unwritten constitution, oldest constitution in the world. So it is longest written constitution in the world. The Himalayan mountain mainly have which type of climate? Tropical climate, desert climate, alpine climate, Mediterranean climate. So it has alpine climate. Which instrument is used to measure temperature? Barometer, thermometer, anemometer, rain gauge. So thermometer is used to measure the temperature. Precipitation include wind and humidity, rain, snow, sleet and hail, only rainfall, clouds only. So it includes rain, snow, sleet and hail. Part 4A of the Indian Constitution deal with fundamental rights, fundamental duties, emergency provisions, directive principle of state policy. So it deal with fundamental duties. In the context of Indian Constitution, an amendment referred to rewriting the entire constitution, changing the prime minister, dissolving parliament, making changes in certain provision of the constitution. So making changes in certain provision of the constitution. High humidity makes the air feel cooler and dry, hotter and sticky, very cold, windy. So it makes hotter and sticky. Which instrument measure rainfall? Hygrometer, rain gauge, thermometer, barometer. So rain gauge measure rainfall. Low latitude regions are located near the poles, in mountain areas, in desert areas. So low latitude regions are located near the equator. If the maximum temperature is 35 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, the daily range is 10 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius, 55 degrees Celsius. So it will be 15 degrees Celsius as maximum temperature minus minimum temperature is daily range temperature, right? Article 47 is part of fundamental rights, fundamental duties, directive principle of state policies, union-state relations. So it is a part of fundamental duties. Atmospheric pressure dash with increasing altitude increases, decreases, remain constant, become zero immediately. So atmospheric pressure decreases with increasing altitude. The speed of wind is measured by a thermometer, barometer, anemometer, rain gauge. It is measured by anemometer. Automated weather station is particularly useful in remote and inaccessible areas, city offices only, schools only, market only. So it is particularly useful in remote and inaccessible areas. The helium gas in the glass chamber is used to make the chamber light, prevent oxidation and deterioration of the paper, keep the constitution floating, increase visibility. So prevent oxidation and deterioration of the paper. So it is about the chapter the Constitution of India. Okay. Temperature in coastal areas is usually extremely hot in summer and extremely cold in winter, not too hot in summer and not too cold in winter, same as desert region, unpredictable. So temperature in coastal areas are usually not too hot in summer, not too cold in winter. Who wrote the original Constitution of India by hand? Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada, B.R. Ambedkar. So it was original constitution written by hand by Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. The handwriting of the constitution is considered ordinary, calligraphic and artistic, printed in machine font, cursive only. So it is considered calligraphic and artistic. Cyclones are monitored using satellite, weather radar, automated weather station, all of the above. So cyclones are monitored using all these: satellite, weather radar, automated weather station. Okay, so all of the above. In a mercury barometer, if atmospheric pressure increases, mercury level rises, mercury level falls, mercury evaporates, mercury freezes. So in a mercury barometer, if atmospheric pressure increases, mercury level will rise. The environmental impact of forest fire include loss of biodiversity, soil erosion, air pollution, all of the above. So environmental impact of forest fire is loss of biodiversity also, soil erosion also, and air pollution also. So all of the above. Okay. So these are 25 that is MCQs from the chapters, these 3 chapters: the Constitution of India, understanding the weather, and climates of India. So this much for this video. Thank you so much for watching until the end.